Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and Weather Junkies are us, and Patreon members, welcome. Hope you're enjoying your vacation. I hope you quote enjoyed the storm today. It was quite a newsmaker and quite a day of severe weather. I mean, down here in Delaware, it was no joke. We got busted. And we had three, and I'm not kidding, three tornadoes confirmed, and the wind wasn't terrible, but it packed a punch in between about 9 and noon. It was one heck of a little storm. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick review with you, and then we'll move on, and we'll take a day off tomorrow and just chill out. Alright, so Isaias is pretty much moving out. The center of the low is approximately here over Massachusetts, and on the western edge it's impacting far New York State, Vermont, New Hampshire, and into Maine. It's pretty much going over that the rest of the evening, so he pretty much isn't a threat anymore to anybody. There's some residual in the upper level low, which could be something for areas tonight. Receive a little rain, a little extra shower. Really isn't going to make a difference to the 5.7 inches of rain that I got today. Alright, so I want to take you to the Storm Prediction Center. And shows you the severity of the and I want to go to storm reports, because there were plenty of them, and there were plenty in Delaware. You can see kind of like where they're they clutter in the middle. Okay, so we had one in Maryland, Queenstown, one in Kent County, Sandtown, I don't even know where the heck that is, one west of Dover, Smyrna, so 3 in Kent, one in Queen Anne's, one in Newcastle, four tornadoes, folks. That, for Delaware, that's in one storm. For a storm that had a 99% chance of producing nothing in terms of a tornado, it produced 4 for our area. And you can see them all there. And debris was thrown around. Nobody got hurt, but there was one death in Delaware. And that was due to she went out to assess damage about something, and a tree had fell on her. I feel so bad. But I say these things. I get on my soapbox, and I say, don't do silly things. Okay? If you live in an area where trees are all around you, and, you go out in a storm like this, and, it doesn't take much for a gust to come up and break those limbs, bring down those trees. The water, softens the ground. Here they come. It breaks my heart. And it happens all the time. And I just feel bad. I feel awful. For the family, and it just makes this even more serious than it seems to be to people. And I try to tell them that. I just copied every single word I just did. You know, it's unfortunate. Facebook, Delaware weather guy. So let me take you to my page. Okay. And I will show you some of the reports that I gave today. And one of them is I really do want you to see. It's quite humorous. It'll give you a laugh after the sad story that I just told you about the woman passing. So there are the store reports. Look at this. Look at this. The branch came from a tree behind the tree. Oh man. Oh my gosh. There was 100% one in North Dover as well. Whoa. Snap, snap. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Megan. That's what I'm talking about, people. You know? I'm telling you, when I get on my soapbox for the next one, I'm bringing these things up to people. Don't do silly things. Okay, so I reported 5.7. That's my weather station here of rain. Newark got 4.14. Smyrna 4.45. Delaware was not spared. Not spared at all. Okay, here's my... This is the one I want to show you. I went down to my local field here to take wind reports and also do a Facebook Live. Can you believe these are only 15 mile per hour gusts? I mean, if this was like, and there was one gust that came up, and I swear it probably was like 16 or something, and it almost put me down. Can you imagine if I was on a beach and there was like 50 mile per hour gusts? Okay, I'm just going to take you to, there's a lull here. I'm sorry. I just have to laugh at that. I get all excited over 25 minutes. Oh boy. Alright, so I think that's a pretty good synopsis. You know, I think tomorrow we're going to have to take a break. And, you know, hopefully the next one is weeks away. Hopefully we don't have... I mean, we had Faye 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago, and now we have another one. What is it with this season and tropical storms and hurricanes just barreling up the East Coast? What's going on, Mr. Briller, Mr. Chairman? You are responsible for knowing that information. All right, so hope to see you all on Joe and Joe. If you need any personal weather reports, let me know. Anytime, any place, I will provide that for you. That's it for me, Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and Weather Junkies are us. And I say, and my famous last words are, adios. Take care. Have a nice weekend and then a vacation, and be careful.